know if you guys see, but that car up there, that is my car. It's an X3, and he's driving super fast. And I'm afraid to drive this fast because it's raining. And when it was raining, I had my first car accident. I hydroplaned into the other car, and that was like when I was 19, and that fear is still with me. But that is my dream car, BMW X3. It is a beauty. Black. I love black cars. How are you guys doing? It's been so long since I've spoken with you guys. I just got out of therapy, and my back's not getting any better, guys, so goodbye, X3. I love you. I love you. Anyways, there goes my car. Anyways, since it's not getting any better, I'm going to have to go to a specialist. So I wonder what that entails. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm sorry that I'm eating. I'm eating Chex cereal. It is so good. Oh, I've been going to my editing thing. I love it. My apprenticeship. I love it. I'm learning Premiere, and it's awesome. So far, I'm getting it, and that's all I needed was someone to help me get it. $9,000 later. Jeez. Anyway, it's going to be worth it because I'm learning a lot from A to Z and everything in between. I'm learning that. So that's amazing. Alright guys, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Ciao, ciao. Bye. Hey guys, guess what? Guess what? It's snowing. It snowed last night. Doggies, it snowed. We've never gone in the snow before, so let's see how it goes. I hope you guys can go. Go potty, quickly. You guys, it snowed. Good job, Bella. Bella goes at no problems. Good job, Belly Welly. Good job, Pablo. It's cold. It never fails. I go to press the record and I take a picture. Always it never fails. It's snowing in my neighborhood. Why is it snowing? I don't like the snow. The snow, it snowed yesterday. Now it's gonna snow again today. The kids got out of school early because they said it's gonna snow. I don't like the snow. What accent is that? I have no clue. But sometimes I like to talk like my mom's best friend. No. My best friend's mom, when we were little, her family was from Italy, and her mama, she spoke like this, and it was very cute. She would say, ah ha ha ha, kickly, shimmy, kickly. She would say we giggle like monkeys. We're like little monkeys laughing. Giggly. Because all we would do is like, everything was funny back then. It was a good time. Good time in my life. Right, Gigi Bella? Good times. Anyway, it's supposed to snow. Why do I still insist on speaking that way. Okay. Seriously, it's supposed to snow. Yeah, I don't want it to snow. I don't want it to snow. I don't want it to snow. It already did snow. There's already snow on the ground. And I don't want it to snow anymore. But it is. It is. We're going to get like an inch of snow. I don't like it. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Hi guys. I'm sitting here waiting for our power to come back on because this morning our power went out. And that sucks because today I have a lot of work I have to do on the computer. And I'm afraid to use the laptop because I don't want to use up all the batteries and then, I don't know, I'm just scared. I want the power to come back on. I heard a big bang and then the power went out. And when I went downstairs to check on what happened, they said a transformer blew out in the back. So I'm just sitting here. I'm going to use this time to do my work that I have to do. And that's about it. So that's what I'm up to. And I hope you guys are doing well on this Sunday. And I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. Look at this crazy mud.
The power went out.
I know, baby. I was just telling them that.
No, tell them. Okay, I'm listening.
What, sweetie?
Nothing.
He's back there, if you can't tell. Back there. Okay. This girl's loca. Loca, loca. Loca, Bella. If I don't pay attention to her, she'll just jump in front of my lap until I do. She's loca. Okay, see you later. Bye.